Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 107th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. How to use ID selector. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag, now title tag, now we'll end title tag, now style type equals to text slash CSS. Heading color will use lime. Now we'll end style tag and I will give you information about what is ID selector. The ID selector uses the ID attribute of an HTML element to select a specific element. Now we'll end head tag, body tag, now h1 tag, ID equals to heading ID selector, and now we'll end h1 tag, now h2 tag. We'll try this without ID selector, and now we'll end h2 tag, body tag, and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. Local disk D, HTML folder, and 107th program. So this is our basic output of how to use ID selector. And don't forget to check the text in description for the clear and basic understanding.